Hey guys, Aaron and Dusty here. Welcome back to EatMoveRest and Happy New Year.
Yes, happy 2018. So with the new year here, a lot of you are probably thinking it might be time to clean up your diet, lose a little bit of weight. Maybe you're even entertaining the idea of going vegan.
Yeah, after all, Dr. Oz did say that it was like the trend of the year.
Yeah, so 2018, it's only building steam.
Right.
But we want to share with you guys the 7 pitfalls or 7 reasons that people fail at a plant-based or vegan diet.
Yep, so let's get right into it. Number 1, people don't eat enough calories. I know that when we started this journey, I got rid of meat and dairy, and all of a sudden I was just starving. I didn't know what to eat.
What's left, right?
Right. So make sure and get your calories.
Number 2, too much vegan junk food. Yes, there is such a thing. If you go to Whole Foods or any grocery store, you're bound to find plenty of processed packaged junk foods labeled vegan, and all of a sudden you see the halo form.
Yes.
And it's glowing light, and you grab it, snatch it up, throw it in your cart, bring it home, prepare it, and you maybe don't feel any better than you did when you ate your regular burger.
No. Aaron will tell you I am a vegan junk food addict. I do my best, but every once in a while I just have to order that vegan pizza and eat the whole thing, and I feel like dying.
Yeah, so steer clear of the junk foods and stick to the whole foods plant-based foods.
Yes.
More on that later.
Number 3, being unprepared. Now this is something that we still struggle with. Nobody's perfect, but being prepared is going to help. I know, again, when we first started, we didn't know what to buy at the grocery store. We didn't know what to prepare at home. And basically, we were unprepared and then always hungry.
Yeah. So as the saying goes, if you fail to plan, you can plan to fail.
Right.
Number 4, the 4th reason why people fail at a vegan or plant-based lifestyle is criticism.
Yes.
And criticism can be harsh, it can be downright mean. We haven't had to deal with a whole lot of that, especially from our online community. It's been overwhelmingly positive. Thank you, YouTube. But it can also be just joking around and just giving you a hard time, which can also be uncomfortable.
Right. So my father-in-law, Aaron's wonderful father, is the biggest jokester in the world, and I don't know how many vegan slang word nicknames that he's called me and us, but hey, we have survived, and you will too. Just stand up to that criticism.
Yes, stand firm, be confident, just walk the walk, and eventually people will start to ask you questions.
Right. Okay, so number 5, money. People say it's too expensive to be vegan, and that is simply not true. We were just at our families for the holidays, and somebody was cooking up a big hunk of meat sitting on the counter. We looked at the price, and it was $50, a $50 piece of meat.
Do you know how many rice and beans we can buy with that, and cases of bananas?
No kidding. We buy beans, rice, lentils, potatoes by the bag. It's so cheap. They last forever. You can do it.
Number 6 reason why people fail at a vegan or plant-based lifestyle is impatience. Patience is a virtue, my friends.
Yes.
It can be tempting to want to go cold turkey and switch overnight and think that everything's just going to be like all happy sunshine and rainbows, but it can actually set you up for failure, and you'll end up reverting back to how you were before.
Yes, so it took me at least 2 years. Aaron was a little bit quicker, but yeah, we started out with vegetarian. We did it for 40 days, then we went back, and it was a 2-year journey for us, and we've arrived here and we're happy now. But be easy on yourself and have patience.
And we're still learning new things every single day. That the journey continues, and we're
Yes.
okay with that because we feel great and we're continuing to feel better.
Right. So finally, number 7, the reason people fail is confusion. They're like, what? I thought this, but this guy says that, and we're all just confused. What's right?
Dr. Oz says one thing,
Yes.
Oprah says another thing, and Rich Roll, Dr. Greger say another thing.
Yes. So our best advice is to check your facts.
Yeah, for example, we love nutritionfacts.org, Dr. Michael Greger. All of his research is pulled from medical journals that are not backed by industry, so it's unbiased, it's gonna be clean, pure truth.
Okay, so to recap, the top 7 reasons people fail on a vegan diet are...
Number 1, not enough calories.
Yes. Number 2, vegan junk food.
Number 3, being unprepared.
Yes. Number 4, criticism.
Number 5, money or budgeting.
Number 6, my biggest one, impatience.
And number 7, confusion.
Yes. So if you guys like this video, you know the drill. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us some love down below. Leave us a comment. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And follow us on social media.
Yes, at Aaron Stanzik, at DB Stanzik. And click that bell. That'll make sure that notifications will be turned on.
Yes.
You'll get alerted when we put out new videos here, because the next video we're gonna do for you guys will be the top 7 ways to succeed at a vegan or plant-based lifestyle.
Right, so stay tuned. We'll give you all the best answers to this video's problems. We'll
All right,
see you
guys. Happy New Year.
Okay. Crazy.
And how much of that is just like meat that you have to shave off, or not meat, fat.
Fat, yeah.
Sorry, I screwed that one up.
That's okay. That's all right. We'll keep going.